Hi everybody, welcome back to Hands That Cook, and my name is Linda, and I promised to make this for one of my subscribers. So these are scalloped potatoes, and this is a rustic version because I used yellow potatoes that have a very tender skin. So I left the skin on. You can always peel your potatoes. And I have sprayed the bottom of my pan here. And I'm just going to start layering these. And you can see these are not level. Whoop. I did the best I could. But hopefully they'll get done. So this is the first layer. And you see how thick that one is. I'm going to cut it because I think it's too thick. You want all these to get done about the same time. That's why you want them about the same thickness. And I don't know, I'll say 1/4 of an inch. There we go. Alright, now excuse me. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of granulated garlic, and some onions. You don't have to use the onions. You can leave them off. You can also use shredded cheese in this if you want to. But and now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on top of these potatoes. There we go. Now I'm going to start the whole procedure over again, and when I get to the top, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. I got 3 layers of potatoes on here, and how many potatoes you cut will depend on how many you want to make. So this is 1.5 cups of whole milk, and I warmed it in the microwave, and I'm going to pour this into the bottom of this dish. I'm going to try not to pour it on top. Now you see it start to come up along the sides. That's where you want it. Yeah. Because that The flour is going to thicken that juice. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, for about an hour or an hour and a half, and we'll be back when it's done. Hi. This took about an hour and 15 minutes, and it's done. I could have put a little more milk in here, I think, but you can see that what's underneath is nice and creamy. I'm going to put a little on Sam's plate over here. And don't forget to season your potatoes, because potatoes are very bland. So if you don't put any seasoning on them, you're going to have bland potatoes. I got some ham over here cooking to add to his plate. And it's fully cooked, so it won't take but just a minute to get done, to get heated through. So when I round him up, ow, I'll bring y'all back. Alright, we got Sam here.
I'm here.
He's ready to eat. Scalloped potatoes, ham fried in butter, cranberry sauce, and salad. Try the potatoes first. The scalloped potatoes.
This is a fine meal right here. Especially when you're starving. But potatoes are delicious. What all they got? Cheese on them?
No.
What they got?
Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And the milk.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't put quite enough milk in there.
Well, they sure are good. The ham's delicious.
But Becky, this is for you, honey. Put a little more warmed up milk in yours. And put enough potatoes to do, you know, like 3 layers.
This is a fine meal right here. Comfort food. Filling.
So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. So until next time, you all take care, and may God bless every one of you. I'll see you later in the week.